way to go check out high performance EV. Yeah. Wow. So here's an AC50. This is about the motor that I'm gonna put on my car. Goals, they're a good thing and everyone should have them. I'm Jehu Garcia and you're watching my DIY YouTube channel. In 2010, I wanted to drive an electric vehicle, and at that time Tesla was not selling electric vehicles yet, so I would have to build my own, and I chased it for a few years. It took me a few years, but I eventually was able to build my own electric car, and until this day I am still driving that car. That bus doing here? Today we have a special visitor. This is the EV West Porsche electric bus. Well, it's time I make a video about it. Oh, look at that.
Prototype that we've got to experiment with.
Oh, we're all going?
We're all going.
Wait, do you guys hear that? There's a little bit of cogging. That's usually not on my bus. Mine. Oh, you really hear it right there. Michael at EV West was really cool, and he sponsored the Samba, gave me about 24 kilowatt hours of smart Tesla 18650 battery module. And so I installed those, and I ran around like that for right up until like a couple months ago when I decided to take the original lithium iron phosphate battery off of the Samba. Ironically, it's in someone's garage and it's charging a Nissan Leaf and a Model S. That's right. The Samba's original battery now is charging a Model S. This is a Tesla Model S module, 6S, like 250 amp hours, right? 24 volts.
Do you mind if we do a burnout?
No, it's all good.
Okay, thank you.
Let's do something cool. As you know, I've had a lot of like this EV stuff here, and I haven't touched it. And so I want to change that. Bam! It's got little baby contactors. Whoa! What is that? I've never seen that.
It's not one motor, there's two.
These old rusty motors.
It's already rusty now.
Dude, I felt so bad. I totally just left it outside in the rain under that last storm because I repoed it from my dad, right?
Yes. People were asking, what's going to be my next conversion? So today, I'm going to show you the next conversion. This guy right here. So the big question is, will the conversion add any weight? And if so, how much? So here are the results. Gia weighs 1,881 pounds. Yeah, I learned from the spring. Step 1, remove the old equipment. Everything that you don't need, it's got to come out of the car. Like every true craftsman, you have to make the parts look nice, so we're gonna paint this. Second day of my internship here. Writing low on the back.
Oh, yeah.
Alright guys, check it out, the battery is done. Today is gonna be a special day. We're taking the Samba to LA for the first time. Time to make another DIY project.
All right, this is dangerous.
So Michael,
Sí,
another one in the bag.
sí. El otro está completo.
Yeah, that thing looks good.
Yeah, it looks really
As much trouble as it was to put in.
But let me move it out of the way.
Yeah, man, it looks good.
Yeah. Off with this electric brethren en route to the LA Auto Show. Samba's going on the lift for the first time. I don't think he's ever been on the lift. So we're finally doing some work on the Samba, the maintenance needed. Remember that pressure plate that was wobbly? Also gonna change the coupler to an interference coupler, finally. Double motors totally fit perfectly in a bus bay. Time for an update on our battery. So it's been 4 hours since this battery's been charging. Let's check it out. 482. No puffing. It's not hot at all.
A totally toasted battery can still put out 100 amps.
All right, we'll torture that battery.
What's that now?
All right, guys. So here is the Gia. Excuse me, I want to buy this one. How much does it cost?
Why didn't you tell me you were coming? How are you?
All right, we got this guy charging. Take care of my, don't worry. Brad made it to Vegas this week. So we are here in the border of California and Nevada. There's a big giant solar array system back here, and we brought our bus because it's electric, right? But we kind of missed the sun, but who cares? All right, we are in Las Vegas doing some shenanigans in the strip, and of course we're with our bus here, right? This is the first time the bus is here, and so I say why not? I'm here at the EV show, San Marcos, California, and here's Crystal charging her Tesla in the solar trailer. So this is a smart one. It follows the sun, it tracks the sun. It's got Tesla batteries in there. Let's see, it's charging. What's it putting in? Oh my God, it's charging at 32 amp, 243 volts. Wait, what? Okay. Yes. Wow, this thing is actually charging.
Oh, yeah.
No way.
At the desert last weekend, something pretty cool happened. My channel actually reached 5 million views.